What are you doing?
I don't know, is it a video? حلقتنا اليوم راح تتجمع على مجموعة شغلات. أول شيء راح نشوف إحنا هاي السيارة عندنا 2010 فورد ماستنج. هاي السيارة طبعًا أكيد locked, so it's not open. Then we're gonna go to the switch to English. نرجع بالعربي. هنا راح تخلي البنزين. من تخلي البنزين دائماً تأكد إنه راح تخليها بإيدك اليمنى مو بإيدك اليسرى. على بإيدك اليسرى.
No. But we don't want it. This thing's trash. You know why?
I was just telling them how to pull it up.
This thing's trash.
So here we have a 2020 Prius, Toyota Prius. Also have a sticker, a YouTube sticker. يعني تقدر تشوفها الشيب برانش repeat. It's SWR. Subscribe.
Alright guys, so that was Baker. I don't know what the hell he was doing. But we got this Mustang GT here, and I just wanted to mention it real quick because as you can see it says GT there and not 5.0. This was like the bastard child of the Mustangs because this body style came out. Then the next year, 2011, the 5.0 was introduced. So I feel bad for anyone that bought one of these things with the 4.6 in it. I got a couple pit stops to make you guys. It's been a busy day at the shop, crazy busy, back from vacation finally. And then I'm gonna catch up with you guys. We're gonna tell you where we're at with the twin supercharged Foxbody build, and we'll pick this video right back up. Alright guys, we made it home now. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you stop and take a minute to subscribe down below so you don't miss any car related content or any of our twin supercharged Foxbody. Once again guys, welcome. I just wanted to make this video today. Normally our Monday video is discussion based, but today I'm just going to kind of play catch up with you guys. So I left you off, we were kind of working on the rotisserie for the Foxbody. You can see the Foxbody right there. Under all of our stuff in here, I had to shove everything in here, you guys, because it was raining, but we're working on the rotisserie still. And I just didn't want to make 10 different videos about the same thing because it's taken a lot of time, you guys, for me to do this. I've never built anything like this before, so it's taken some time. We got all these welded up finally to attach to the car. Then I'm working on these, which is another part of the bracket here, and I had to go back and change my design. You can see I cut this one in half. It was fully boxed in. But once we get all the pieces, we'll kind of hop back to that. I just don't want to make 20 videos of me grinding and cutting metal to make this rotisserie. So I've been pretty busy, you guys. Welcome back from vacation, right? Rude awakening. I got a lot of stuff to get done. This piece of crap tractor I'm giving to one of my buddies. So I was supposed to just put a battery in it, and that turned into a whole project within itself. So I got some parts soaking in here. The carb needs to be cleaned, stuff like that. And then I'll insert a little clip right here. That's some scrap metal that we're gonna take along with some other stuff that I got in the garage here. We're gonna take in because, as you know, I have a fun setup that was supposed to be for a GT500. It had probably $3,000 in it right now, you guys, and it was all from scrap metal. And sadly, I put that in my bank account because I want to use that money to get the twin supercharged Foxbody done. I know it's sad, but I can always save more money and get one of those cars. Right now, this is my main priority. We're gonna get this Foxbody looking nice, so we're gonna have dual blowers on that. So the other thing that we've had issues with is this Mazda pickup. If you've been following the channel for any length of time, this thing has sat here for quite a while. It's been way too long. So we were having some issues with this hub. I finally got all that figured out, and now something is like seized up. Something's binding. So I'm gonna have to take this back apart again. I want this out of here so that I have all my garage space for this project. Ideally, when I get the motor back from the machine shop, what I would like to do is have this side where the car is sitting just for doing the engine rebuild. The body will be waiting over here on the rotisserie, and then once the engine is done, I can focus on the body. We got to get that done before winter sets in so that we have nice temperatures for the paint to cure and stuff like that. I'm not about to try to paint this in the winter because the garage is heated with this wood stove that I made. So it gets nice and hot, but the temperatures are not going to be consistent for painting and Bondo and stuff like that. So we are on kind of a time crunch. I'm gonna rock and roll on this. I'm probably gonna tinker on this thing tonight a little bit again so we can get it out of here and drivable. And stay tuned for the next couple videos. We're gonna be dropping another tool review for you guys on this diamond cut cutoff wheel from Lennox. This thing has been absolutely incredible, and we're gonna talk a little bit about battery powered angle grinders. Again, Milwaukee, you know we're Milwaukee fanatics, but we're gonna talk about this disc paired up with the Milwaukee battery powered angle grinder. We don't have a plasma cutter as of yet, so as you guys know, working on that rotisserie, I've probably made hundreds of cuts, and it's just, I needed something that was a little more stable. Those discs are pretty expensive, but it has been working very well. And I'm not burning through conventional grinding discs and cutoff wheels and replacing them all the time. But yeah, so that's kind of what we got going on, you guys. I'm back from vacation. If you didn't see any of the videos that we dropped when we were on vacation, go check those out. We went to Shelby American, which is incredible. It has the shop and the showroom, and we also hit up the Land Cruiser Museum in Salt Lake City. So I just wanted to kind of catch you guys back up on where we are at. The rotisserie is hopefully going to be done within a week or so. I can go buy the engine stand so we can finish that. Once that is done, we can get the body on the rotisserie, and hopefully this thing will be out of here so I can use it again, and so I have all this usable space, more importantly. All right, you guys, so thanks again for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe down below. We get to 500 subscribers and we're giving you another tool. So subscribe, hit that bell button so you're notified every time we upload a video. Shift, Rent, Repeat is back on its normal schedule. We upload every Sunday, Monday, and Thursday. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.